What is PCB plating process? The PCB, printed circuit board, plating process is a crucial step in manufacturing electronic circuits. It involves depositing a layer of metal onto the surface of the PCB to create conductive pathways for electrical signals. The plating process is typically done using one or more of the following metals: copper, tin, gold, or nickel. Here is a general overview of the PCB plating process. Cleaning and preparation. The PCB goes through a thorough cleaning process to remove any dirt, grease, or oxidation from the surface. This ensures good adhesion of the plating material. Etching. Prior to plating, the PCB undergoes an etching process to remove the unwanted copper from the surface. This step defines the copper traces and pads that will be plated. Activation. After etching, the PCB is treated with an activation solution to make the copper surfaces more receptive to the plating material. This step enhances the adhesion between the plating material and the copper. Electrolysis plating. In some cases, an electrolysis plating process is used as an initial layer before electrolytic plating. Electrolysis plating involves the chemical deposition of a thin layer of metal, such as nickel or copper, onto the PCB surface using a reducing agent. Electrolytic plating. The main plating process is typically done using electrolytic plating. The PCB is immersed in a plating bath that contains the metal ions, example, copper, and appropriate electrolytes. A direct current, DC, is applied to the PCB, and metal ions are reduced and deposited onto the exposed copper surfaces, gradually building up the desired plating thickness. Stripping and cleaning. Once the desired plating thickness is achieved, the PCB is removed from the plating bath. It undergoes a stripping process to remove any excess plating material and is cleaned to remove any residues. Post-treatment. Depending on the specific requirements of the PCB, post-treatment processes may be performed. This can include applying a protective coating, such as tin or gold, to improve the PCB's durability and prevent oxidation. It's worth noting that the plating process can vary depending on the specific requirements of the PCB design and the intended application. Different plating methods, such as panel plating, pattern plating, or selective plating, can be used to achieve specific circuitry configurations. Additionally, the choice of plating materials and thicknesses can vary depending on factors such as cost.